Installing a new door in your home or business can be a rewarding home improvement project. Whether you're upgrading your front entryway or replacing an old interior door, ensuring the installation is done correctly is key to longevity, security, and aesthetics. However, there are several common mistakes that homeowners and DIY enthusiasts often make when installing a door in Clinton Township. Avoiding these pitfalls can help you achieve a smoother installation process and save time and money in the long run. Incorrect measurements. One of the most common mistakes when installing a door is not taking the correct measurements. A door that is too large or too small for the frame can lead to poor alignment, difficulty in opening or closing, and the need for costly adjustments. Before you purchase a new door, make sure to carefully measure the height, width, and depth of your existing door frame. Also, take into account the clearance needed for the door to swing open freely, especially if the door will be opening into a narrow space or near furniture. In Clinton Township, where older homes may have settled or shifted over time, it's important to ensure the door frame is square and even before proceeding with the installation. Choosing the wrong door style or material. Another mistake homeowners often make is selecting a door style or material that doesn't suit their needs or the specific climate conditions in Clinton Township. For example, steel or fiberglass doors offer greater durability and energy efficiency, while wood doors offer classic charm but may require more maintenance. Consider the purpose of the door. An exterior door needs to be both secure and energy efficient, while an interior door may be chosen for its appearance or soundproofing capabilities. Additionally, the weather in Clinton Township can fluctuate, and doors that aren't adequately insulated or weatherproofed could lead to drafts and increased heating or cooling costs. Selecting a door that aligns with your needs and environment is crucial. Improper installation of the hinges. The hinges on your door play a vital role in its functionality. If not installed correctly, the door may sag, become difficult to open or close, or suffer from uneven wear over time. It's important to place the hinges in the right locations on the door and the frame. A typical mistake is not ensuring that the hinge positions align perfectly with the frame, which can cause stress on the hinges and the door itself. Additionally, failing to use the correct size screws or anchors can lead to weak support, resulting in the door not functioning properly. Be sure to use a level to ensure your door is aligned correctly before securing the hinges fully. Forgetting to account for expansion and contraction. Temperature fluctuations in Clinton Township can cause materials like wood to expand and contract. This can be especially problematic when installing wooden doors. If you install a door that is too tight in its frame, it might not function properly when the temperature changes. To avoid this, make sure there is a small gap between the door and the frame to allow for expansion. Many professional door installers in Clinton Township will account for this gap to ensure the door operates smoothly throughout the year. If you're installing the door yourself, be aware of seasonal changes and the potential for the material to expand or contract. Neglecting weatherproofing. Weatherproofing is an often overlooked aspect of door installation, but it's crucial, especially for exterior doors. Without proper weatherproofing, your door can become vulnerable to drafts, moisture, and even pests. Be sure to install weather stripping around the edges of your door to keep the elements outside. Clinton Township experiences cold winters and humid summers, so ensuring that your door is sealed tightly will improve energy efficiency and prevent damage. Additionally, consider installing a door sweep at the bottom to further block out drafts and moisture from the outside. Rushing the process. Door installation can be a time-consuming project, and rushing through the process is a common mistake that leads to poor results. Skipping steps or cutting corners might save time initially, but it can result in a door that doesn't function properly or doesn't have a long lifespan. Take the time to follow the instructions carefully, check your measurements, and install the door securely. If you're unsure at any point, consider reaching out to a professional installer in Clinton Township to help guide you through the process. Conclusion. Installing a door in Clinton Township might seem like a simple task, but it's important to avoid the common mistakes that can derail your project. By paying attention to measurements, choosing the right door material, ensuring proper hinge installation, considering expansion and contraction, weatherproofing, and taking your time, you'll be able to achieve a smooth installation process and enjoy a functional, attractive door for years to come. If you're unsure about any part of the process, consulting with a professional installer can save you from headaches down the line.